Today I'm unboxing something pretty significant actually. This was something that I ordered last year and it's taken me a while to unbox it because just being busy and not feeling up to it, being preoccupied with other things, life, and now I get to actually unbox this, so I'm very excited about this. This has been sitting, guys, for over a year, and I finally get to see what I ordered and get to enjoy this actually, because this one right here is pretty cool. And when I saw this, I was like, oh man, this is something that I was looking forward to playing with. You may ask, what is this? You probably know already, because this one here is the Sony Duplicator. It's a professional duplicator for VHS tapes. And I got this because I thought it would be a lot of fun. I got it for cheap actually. They said it was taken from a working environment. And as you can see, it looks like probably from a studio, like a professional shop, because of the label on it. It looks pretty cool. I hope that this does not need to be connected to a computer for it to work. So I'm just hoping that I can actually use this thing. And that's the power button. It has a level indicators in the front. Interesting. I just hope it came with the, oh good. I was wondering about power connector, and then I see that it has one of those universal connectors, like the normal ones for a computer. So I'm very excited about that. And I'm looking at the back here and I see audio in channel 1, channel 2. Ooh, the top actually slides off. Interesting, I need to check that out. There's control P, auto off, standby. So much to learn, basically, so much to learn. I think of myself as a good student, so I'm really willing to learn. And the top comes off. Interesting. Somebody already got in here, obviously. And that's how the inside looks. I'm not sure what they were trying to do in here, but I hope it's not a repair. I hope it's just because they were trying to take it off the rack or something like that. I do see some connectors here that are loose. Interesting. Well, we'll see. We'll see if this thing really works.